The 8 pixel grid is organizing framework for UI design. 8 pixel is a foundation for many units. Within the grid columns provide structure and consistency in visual design. They are invisible guide for setting typography, padding and margin between elements. 12 column layout is standard for website and 4 column for mobile. In this tutorial, I will give you a clear idea about why to use columns and grids. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel so you will get updates when we upload new videos. So let's start. When you design any website or application, it's a prototype, not a final work. You can just upload on server. What we create is a model, just like architect design a 3D model in a software, but it is not a final building. So developer have to use languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and frameworks like Bootstrap, Materialize CSS, Foundation for building responsive mobile first sites. It's standard and default 12 column grid layout in this framework. We use 3 types of layouts, that is fluid, fixed and hybrid. Let's talk about fluid first. We use entire area of our artboard with padding and margin to design layout. We don't have any fixed width container. See this example. Fixed layout. You have fixed width of container where you have to place all elements. Hybrid. Some areas are fluid and some areas are fixed within the container. Whether it is a fluid, fixed or hybrid layout, use grid and columns for perfect alignment and spacing. Let's talk about why 12 columns. 12 number is an even number and it can be easily divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So it is very flexible to use. What is container? If you design fixed width layout or hybrid layout, you have a fixed container size. When you design layout for larger desktop, the artboard size is 1920 pixel by 1080 and the container size is 1320. That is a Bootstrap standard. Number of columns are 12, gutter width is 24 pixel and margin is a 300 pixel. The number of columns remains the same for both layout. So let's create something to understand this. Okay, now this is the home screen. When you start XD, we get different options and sizes. For larger desktop, it is 1920 by 1080 and 1366 by 768 for medium. Actually, you don't have to worry about this because developer will use relative units like percentage, so our design will get responsive to all different desktop sizes. For this person portfolio web page, we'll set 1920 by 1080. Remember that while designing width is fixed because we don't want horizontal scroll. You can increase height of artboard as per the content. Now we have jumped inside the new document and default we got one artboard. This blue border indicates that it is selected. We can use property panel to change properties of artboard. Select layout for columns and square for grid. By default it is 8 pixel. Number of columns in layout are 12. Set gutter width to 24 pixel. And margin to 300 pixels. How we have calculated the margin? It is 1920, that is artboard width, minus 1320, that is container size, equals to 600. It is divided by 2. So from left it is 300 and right it is 300. You can check that we got perfect container size, that is 1320 pixel as per the Bootstrap standard for larger desktop. I want this to be dark theme, so change background color to any dark color you want. We don't have time to create a logo for this template, so I will use only font for name. All fonts and images we have used for this template, I have given link in the description. We can add top and bottom padding as per the height of big character or the symbol in your logo. For navigation and other text, we are using Roboto font. Convert button to component. I will create one more video to explain what components are. But in short, by creating component, you can manage style of multiple elements on a single click. Use padding option so when you change text label, width automatically get adjusted according to the content. Space between heading and text should be the height of text. Now we have 12 columns and we want 3 sections. So 12 divided by 3, you will get 4 column space. Press Ctrl R for repeat grid. That means 12 divided by 3 is 4 column space. Hold Shift, select rectangle and image and mask. For mobile, artboard is 360, which is standard for Android. But again, you don't have to worry, developer will use relative units, so it will get fitted on different viewport sizes. Number of columns are 4 and gutter width is 16 pixel and margin is 16 pixel. I have installed Material Icon font. The link is given below, so you can download and use in your project. The icon size is 24 pixel. We can install Material font or just go to their website and you can download icons in SVG format. Now we are designing for mobile, so we need to rearrange content. See, this is the final result we have got. I have tried to explain you columns. If you still have some questions, you can ask me in comments below.